Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, back up your data and confirm the unit model and Android version so you know which menu applies. Once done, keep the car ignition in ACC or engine running to prevent power loss. This matters. Make sure a USB drive is ready with any files you need to restore. Now, open the Settings app, scroll to System or General, and tap the option labeled Reset, Factory Data Reset, or similar. This is the entry point to the reset process. You will see a list of accounts and apps that will be erased. Read it so you don't lose something critical. Then, enter your screen lock PIN or password when prompted. This verifies you own the device. After that, tap Reset, Erase, or Factory Data Reset to begin. The unit will reboot and show a progress indicator. Stay calm and don't turn off the ignition. This step wipes user data and returns settings to stock, which fixes most software issues. Once the reset completes, the head unit restarts and walks you through initial setup. You should reconnect Wi-Fi, sign into accounts, and reapply car-specific profiles. Then restore your backup from USB or cloud to get apps and maps back. If the device gets stuck on boot or loops, power cycle by turning off ignition for 30 seconds, check the car's fuse and wiring, and only then consider reflashing the firmware. Reflashing requires the correct ROM for your model, so proceed carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.